He stabs people with scissors. I'll get you, Scout. Scout, look yonder. I think I see a mad dog. Scout, Jim, gotta come inside. I need to call Atticus because the mad dog's out there.
Jim, I think Calpurnia's calling for us. Let's go.
Atticus, it's Calpurnia. You need to come real quick. There's a mad dog outside.
Do you have the kids? Are they all right, Calpurnia?
Yes, I have him.
Jim? Scout, where are you? Atticus, there's a mad dog. There's a mad dog? I see him. Get behind me, Scout. I think Hecate should do it, but he told me to do it, so I'll do it. I wish Still was here to see that mad dog.
He would have been scared.